Welcome to our easy guide on downloading Minecraft on your iPhone in 2025. Let's dive into the world of block building. First, let's cover the requirements. Ensure that your iPhone has enough storage and the latest iOS version compatible with Minecraft. Now, let's access the App Store. Tap on the App Store icon on your home screen. In the search bar, type Minecraft and press search to find the official game. Once you find it, tap on the download button, and it will guide you through the purchase process. Make sure your device is compatible. Check the game details for supported iPhone models. If you're low on storage, consider clearing up some space or using cloud storage solutions. After downloading, locate the Minecraft icon on your home screen and tap to launch the game. Once inside, explore different game modes and customize your settings for the best experience. And there you have it. Enjoy crafting and building in Minecraft, and remember to have fun.